guys, I'm Jessie, and today I want to show you how I just did my hair into this rosy goldy pink color. So I had my hair, these are my natural roots, and then it was sort of lightened in a little like balayage ombre thing, but it was really like brassy golden, and I was just really bored with it and I just wanted to do something else, so I just decided to make it pink. So this is what I used. I used Manic and the shade was Cotton Candy Pink. These are awesome because they're vegetable based dyes, so they don't have that really strong smell when you're doing your hair, and they also don't have any harmful chemicals like PPD or anything like that that traditional hair dyes have. So because these are vegetable based and they don't use chemicals, it's really quite simple because you're not under such a time constraint of the chemicals doing things to your hair in like 20 minutes. So this I actually left on my hair for over 3 hours. People leave it on overnight. It won't harm you. It's just a little bit annoying to sleep with, in my opinion. But the longer you leave it on, obviously the more your hair will soak it up. And because they're vegetable based, there's nothing inside of the dye that's forcing the dye molecules into your hair. So it won't last as long as a traditional dye, but I will keep you guys updated on how long it lasts. Time to rinse.
Here's what the color actually looks like. It's a super bright pink with a little bit of blue in it. Oh shoot! Of course. Just pretend that didn't happen.
Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Okay, sorry that it's a little loud because that's the fan for my bathroom. But I wanted to have the light on so that I could show you guys. I love it! It came out like so good, like exactly how I wanted pretty much. I mean, I was kind of open to what was gonna happen because I've never done this before, and I was like, well, we'll just see what happens. But I love it so much. It's like an ice cream party, like, but it still has like the gold in it. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's talk about the rinsing really quick because sometimes people don't know if they should shampoo their hair or condition it or what. So I had already shampooed my hair before this, so I didn't shampoo it because I didn't want to strip any of the dye out that I had just put in. So I got into the shower and I rinsed with relatively cool water because warm water, like we've been talking about, warm opens the cuticle of your hair. So now that the dye is in there, you want to close it. So you want to use cool water, and as you go on to wash your hair, that will help you in the future to keep the dye in for longer. Whatever kind of dye you're using, that applies. So I rinsed it out as best as I could with cool water. Then I took some white vinegar. You can use white or apple cider vinegar, just about a tablespoon and a half, and I put it into a big cup of water, and I just like dipped my hair in it because that's easier. People like pour it over it, but I just find it easier to like dip it in. The vinegar will raise the pH of your hair, and that also helps to seal the dye in. So I did that just to give it a little bit extra oomph, but you don't have to do that step. Then after I did that, I did condition my hair. So I used this L'Oreal Everpure because it's sulfate free. Please leave me your recommendations for good sulfate free products, because I actually don't like to buy from L'Oreal because they test on animals, but it was the only sulfate free thing that I spotted when I had to grab conditioner really quick. So, sorry. So know that everyone's gonna get different results because everyone's hair is different, and all the chemical processing that your hair has been through is different. So always do a test patch, which is, I know it's hard because you're like, oh, I just want to do my hair. That's how I am. I'm just like, oh, I want to put it on there. But I made myself test it because I've never done pink before, and I ended up liking it. All right, guys, I think that's it for this. I'm sure there's more info and more questions that you'll have, but just put them in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you have a great day, and I'm off to enjoy being a little ice cream pink head. I'm obsessed with it, by the way. I definitely think after this I'm gonna get more into like bright colors because, oh, I just love it. I feel like I'm like going to like a sorbet party. I don't even know what that is, but I'm going to one. So, okay, bye guys.